Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 LT. This is the touring edition, comes factory equipped with floorboards, a touring windscreen, leather saddlebags, studded seat with a rear passenger backrest. This belt drive Vulcan 900 just arrived with only 11,900 miles. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme, black and gray, fuel injected 6-speed transmission. Come on by, make your middleweight V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.